Hello everyone. With the month of April now behind us, we can take a look at how much rain fell over the drought-stricken areas in the Western Cape. And although the end of the month brought some good falls of rain to the province, allowing the suburb of Newlands as well as around the Wemmershoek Dam areas to receive more than average rainfall indicated by the yellow lines. Further inland, some areas didn't fare quite as well. As we can see, Theewaterskloof only receiving 19 millimetres, where a normal month should bring 56 millimetres to the area. Similar conditions for other parts of the province. So although we've started to see better rainfall taking place over the province, we still need a lot more to make a significant difference. Let's take a look at our satellite imagery, and overnight, as expected, there were thunder showers on the Highveld. Those brought rainfall to parts of southern Gauteng, the northwest and the Free State, some places receiving more than 10 millimetres. There were still a few small thunder showers into the early parts of this morning in the northwest, while further westwards we have a bank of high-level cloud that's now moving in over the northern and Western Cape provinces, although it is expected to remain dry in the area for the rest of today. That high-level cloud continues moving inland, but our focus is going to be over the eastern parts of the country for this afternoon, as thunder showers should be returning to some parts of the Highveld, although very isolated. There will also be showers making landfall along parts of the KZN northern coastline. All of that can clearly be seen on the rainfall probability map. Patchy thunder showers for the northwest, the Free State, Gauteng, as well as in Mpumalanga, but into the Lowveld as well as that northern coastline of KZN, only showers in the forecast for the rest of today, while it is going to be a dry Tuesday further westwards. Workers' Day brings one warning to the country. That's a high fire danger warning for parts of Western South Africa, including some areas in the Northern and Western Cape provinces. It's a very warm, dry as well as gusty afternoon over those areas, and for that reason runaway fires will be possible. Taking a look at the temperatures for today, we see how the shades of orange develop over the Cape provinces. Bergwinds pushing temperatures into the lower 30s for some areas in the south. Cape Town at 28 degrees with that high level cloud moving overhead, while it's going to be a mild day on the Highveld, many areas in the lower 20s this afternoon. Along with that, light winds in the forecast for that area, gusty on the other hand for the western parts, and we also have a northeasterly wind picking up for Durban today. Heading into Wednesday, thunder showers still possible for parts of the interior, but still very isolated. It should be a dry day for KZN, where temperatures are going to climb quite a bit higher, and a cold front makes landfall in the Western Cape, bringing some of that much needed rain to the province. Thursday sees the front moving up the east coast, cooling things down in KZN, where there could be some light rain. A few thunder showers still possible for Gauteng, but it is going to be drier and sunnier in the west.